Hey, this is Josh with another C++ homework assignment. This one it's out of chapter 2. It's called Annual Pay. So this problem looks intimidating, but it's actually pretty easy. So annual pay, this is what it's asking. Suppose an employee gets paid every 2 weeks and earns $2,200 each pay period. In a year, the employee gets paid 26 times. Write a program that defines the following variables, and they list it out very neatly here. Pay amount. This variable will hold the amount of pay the employee earns each pay period. It even tells you what to initialize it at, starting at 2200. 2200.0. Next one, pay periods. This variable will hold the number of pay periods in a year. Initialize the variable with 26. And then third, annual pay. This variable will hold the employee's total annual pay, which will be calculated. And it tells you how to calculate it. So the program should calculate the employee's total annual pay by multiplying the employee's pay amount by the number of pay periods in a year and store the result in the annual pay variable. Display the total annual pay on the screen. Okay, so again, take a moment if you want, just pause this video, try solving this yourself first, and we'll go through it together in just a moment. Okay, so let's get started. So we have our three variables that we need to define. First one is going to be pay amount. One thing to note, I haven't really mentioned this on other videos yet, but you can name these whatever you want. These ones are just what they are suggesting as an example for this problem. In past videos, I've just been making up my own. There's a lot of flexibility as long as it's just numbers, letters. It cannot start with a number and it cannot have special characters. Those I'm pretty sure are the only two rules. You can set it to just about anything. I'll keep it the same for this example though. So we have pay amount. We are using decimal points in this one, so let's use double. So use double pay amount. Initialize at 22.0. Another way that you can organize your variables, in other videos I've listed them out with commas. If you want just kind of a cleaner look, you can have a comma, drop the line down, and list your other variable. So do pay periods, this one equaling 26. Then our third one will be annual pay. And this one is going to be multiplying the two. So this equals pay amounts times pay periods. Okay. And that's all we really need to do to define. So let's do our output. So cout, we'll write the employee gets paid. Pay amount every pay period. Cout, the employee gets paid pay periods. All right, so gets paid 26 times per year. finally, the employee will make annual pay will make X amount of dollars this year. Oh, missing our quotation marks. Okay, that should be everything we need. Let's. Oh, we have one error here. So, did you mean pay amount? Yes, I did. So we'll build it. All right, so we have a failure. Quotation mark on the outside. That'll do it. So we have the employee gets paid $2,200 every pay period. The employee gets paid 26 times per year. The employee will make $57,200 this year. Let's double check it. 2,200 times our pay periods. 57,200. Cool. So that one's pretty straightforward. I hope this video helped. We'll catch you next time.